Alright, let's face it, earbuds today are like your keys and your water bottle, maybe your wallet. You don't leave home without them. And in a world that is flooded with flagship killers and game changers, the Sony LinkBuds Fit come in with a slightly different vibe and a bit different positioning. They're not here to flex specs or shout about features. They are here to fit in, literally and figuratively. Watch on and you'll find out. So what is going on with these earbuds? They are priced at an exorbitant 18,990 rupees at the time of launch, which is quite premium. And on the spec sheet, these also look very promising. So I put them through their paces, spending a good few days living with them. Calls, walks, binge watching, and even the occasional awkward dance workout. And here is everything you need to know. But before you get started, do not forget to subscribe to Unboxed by Chroma and hit that bell icon so you never miss any video from our channel. First thing here that you will notice, or maybe not, is the fit, because these earbuds are not your regular shove them and hope for the best type earbuds. Sony on these earbuds is using something called as air fitting supporters, which sounds way fancier than it is, but is a very nice feature. There are soft wingtips that gently hook into your ears when you put them on. You know what it feels like? Like you are wearing your favorite sneakers and they are snug and never stiff. I wore them through hour-long meetings, runs, and even while lying in bed, pretending to meditate, they just stayed put. There was no poking, no extra added pressure, or need for constant adjusting. The fit was just right. I passed these around to my friends and family and they also felt the same. The case is shiny, but you need to handle with care, but it is also compact and easy to grip. The buds themselves are like smooth pebbles that had a baby with a sci-fi jelly bean. It's playful but not toy-like. These are available in low-key black and a fresh pastel green that I would honestly love to have. The LinkBuds Fit don't have the flashiest feature list, but if you dig deep enough, you will know what truly lies behind the surface. The ones that they have are super handy features and specs that will help you out in day-to-day. You take a bud out of your ear and the music pauses and you pop it back in and it starts playing back again. All you need to do is not to pick up a call or shake your head to reject it. Surprisingly, it's reliable and it's also weirdly very fun. Some people might grab eyeballs, but who cares? There is also dual device pairing and you can flip between your laptop and your phone during your day like a champ. And there's the Sony Headphones Connect app as well, which offers tons of customization options, and it is something we can't really complain about. This is the kind of it just works experience which we wish more earbuds had. Now, if you know, Sony is no stranger to good sound and these earbuds deliver, but for the real world kind of way. They are tuned for audio snobs and for everyone else, not like some generic earbuds that deliver massive sound or studio monitors that are focused towards a very specific audience. Whether you are vibing to Bollywood beats, half listening to a podcast while cooking, or catching the evening news, the sound is crisp, clear, and well balanced. And you can tune it in the Headphones Connect app. Out of the box, the bass is present and not punchy, just enough to make you feel those thumps in your videos. The vocals are super clean, and with treble, there is a slight bit of sharpness up top. The cymbals and S sounds can get a bit attention-seeking, but nothing that ruins the mood when you are listening to your favorite tracks. I honestly did not find much to complain about over here. These earbuds just worked out of the box for me and the people I passed them around to. Now when it comes to the noise cancelling and ambience mode, this is, not something that will shut out the world for you. For that, you'll have to resort to the 1000XM6 that Sony recently launched. But the smart ANC that is enabled by the integrated processor V2, which is same as the flagship earbuds from Sony, the WF-1000XM5s, it delivers great noise cancellation for day-to-day use, and you can adjust it depending on where you are. If you set up zones in the Sony Headphones Connect app, it will do it automatically for you. If you are in a cafe with grinders going on in your background, they will be muted off. And if you are in the public with background chatter and traffic, it will be softened off very easily. And when you do need to stay aware, the ambient mode kicks in smoothly without you having to tap around like a confused cyborg. The battery life over here is solid, but not spectacular. We have seen earbuds with much more battery life, but this one has definitely enough for a whole day of use. In my experience, I got around 5.5 hours on a single charge with an extra 16 hours in the case. As I said, it will be enough for a full work day or a weekend binging session without scrambling for a charger. And yes, these also do have fast charging in case you are in a pinch. I just used them this morning, so I can tell you by experience it works well. Now, in case you are chasing headline specs, fancy tags, or want to tweak EQ curves till your eyes bleed, then my friend, you are in the wrong place. Audiophile forums are the place for you, or you can pick up something that suits your fancy. But if you honestly want a no-nonsense, comfortable, feature-smart pair of earbuds that just fit into your routine, these are it. The Sony LinkBuds Fit are there with you when you're running your errands, during your work-from-home calls, and background tunes while meal prepping. They can handle it all, honestly, and they do it without a fuss. Out of the box, the experience is flawless, and in my time of use, the customization is just enough to make these earbuds your own. And honestly, that is what makes them stand out. They're not trying to be the star of your day. They are just a solid co-star that never misses a cue, subtly in your ears and lightweight so that you don't even notice they are on. And for that, we rate these earbuds 4.5 out of 5. They just lost half a point for that slight treble sharpness and sometimes the below average performance in ANC, but in every other way, Sony has nailed the brief for delivering a solid pair of premium TWS in-ear earphones. What did you think about these earbuds? Do let us know down in the comments below, and I'll go grab some coffee and listen to some music. Until next time.